Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku daily analysis for the Euro-US dollar FX for Friday, May the 22nd. Well, another bullish day today, and the first time frame uptrend is continuing. We still have a higher high and a higher low, which means that there's been no change of trend at the moment. We've taken out the solid resistance that we wanted the market to be trading through. And the candle is still green, which means that the market is still essentially bullish. But if we look at the size of the body has reduced somewhat. And what we want to see as the first time frame trend upswing is developing, we'd like to see the size of the bodies increasing, and this one has got a little bit smaller. Not too small. There's been somewhat of a reduction in the size of the body, which means that the bulls have been they've made a slightly lesser net gain than they've been making over the previous few days. Excuse me. Now, what's interesting though is that we have this shadow on the top, and it means that we've had price rejection. And the yellow area that's marked here, and if we excuse me. If we extend the chart out, zoom out on the chart, we can see that this large area here is a zone of previous strong downside price rejection. If we look at the candles here through this area, the top line marks where the high of the swing, a major swing was, and then we had very long wicks on the candles that followed very, very strong price rejection from this area, which is around 140, roughly 143.57. And all of this zone here represents a potential area where there could be, once again, downside price rejection for the market. And we can see that the market had a huge rally up through that area, came off, made a lower swing high, and then a lower swing low, which actually gave the market a new second time frame downtrend at that point. Then the market sold off substantially from this region. So potentially a very, very dangerous area for this market to trade to. Little wonder that we had this shadow on the top of this candle and the selling pressure coming in. So it'll be interesting to see how the market trades up through here over the next few days. Potentially we could see the market trade up through there, but I think we'd want to see what the character of the candles is. If we see some bearish candles starting to come out up here, then it could be a good time to certainly to decide to take profits and then wait for a new first time frame uptrend if you're a short-term trader. We should be watching to the low of the current candle for that to be taken out for a potential new first time frame downtrend. Now, if we look at the configuration of the Kijun-sen and Tenkan-sen, that's bullish. They were trading about the cloud, the Kumo, the cloud twisted some time ago. So everything with these candles is bullish. Now, because this is a very fast moving trend, and we've seen that the Tenkan-sen has held a support previously here. If the market does come off, our first support that we'll be looking to is at the Tenkan-sen, and then look for a bullish sign if it does sell off down to there, and look for support there and potentially a signal to go long, but bearing in mind that we have this strong zone of resistance up through here.